Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last video, I did a brief introduction to HTML, and in this video, I'll be showing you the two tools that are necessary when you want to start coding in HTML. And these tools are your text editor and your browser. So a text editor is a software application that is used for modifying and formatting plain text files, while a browser is also a software application that allows users to have access to the internet. The relationship between the both of them is a browser retrieves and displays your web pages. It interprets your code, while your text editor just is used to write the code. So it is more like your text editor is an input platform, while your browser is an output platform. The text editor is used to put in the code, and then your browser is used to display the output of the code. So that is how they work. And we have few types of browsers. We have Google Chrome, we have Microsoft Edge, we have Safari, which is only available on Apple devices. And we also have Mozilla Firefox. And for text editors, we have Sublime Text, we have Visual Studio Code, we have Atom, we have Notepad++, and a lot more. So you can just look for the one that resonates with you and start coding. So how do we go about getting the text editor? Now, it's very easy. Just go to your browser and search for the URL, which is www.visualstudiocode.com. And for Sublime Text as well, go to www.sublimetext.com. And automatically, it will take you to a page that asks for your operating system, whether you're using Windows operating system or you're using Mac operating system or Linux operating system. So you just choose the one that you're using and then download it and you're good to go. Just follow the installation process and you're good to go on using your text editor. So if you're downloading Sublime Text, it is the same way. Just go to your browser, put in the URL www.sublimetext.com and then choose your operating system and download it. The same thing applies to Visual Studio Code. So as you can see here, I have a Visual Studio Code. I already downloaded it. Okay, so let's say we're done downloading our Visual Studio Code or our text editor, and we want to create an HTML document. Now I'll put us through the process of creating an HTML document. To do that, we'll go to our file manager, and then we'll go to documents and we just create a new folder. So I'll just create a new folder and I could give it maybe intro to HTML. So this is my folder here, intro to HTML. So this folder is going to hold everything I'm doing in HTML, all my HTML files and everything. Then I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code and then click on this button here and go to File. Now I want to open the folder I just created. So go to Open Folder. All right, so we are here. Then we're creating the folder in a document, right? And then you just click on the folder, which is Intro to HTML, and then select folder. So by doing that, it will automatically just open up the folder for you. So after creating and opening the folder, we're going to create a file inside, which will serve as our HTML document itself, our HTML file. So here we have intro to HTML as the folder. Now to create a file inside the folder, we'll click on this small button here. This one is for file and this one is for folder. So in case you want to create a subfolder, then you click on this. All right, so let's click on file and then I'll just give it index.html. All right, so we have it here. We have a folder which is intro to HTML and we have a file inside the folder index.html. All right, so this is how we set up our text editor and how we open a folder and a file. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you or explaining the basic, a basic HTML document, how it should look like. So I'll see you in the next video.